wako ni kama kioo lisilonyauka. I'm looking for you, Katalia.
You are more than beautiful, that is perfectly true. Ninyenda kuba mwipaparia we all the time. Manya, nyowe, tinkushabiriza konka wampa banzi, nonyongera supu. I will hold you so close when you start to cry. Ninyenda kuba niwe through the lonely nights, the heart and the pain. Nobo kubo ruire, you make me come alive every time I want to die. You noyenda ngufe, cause I've seen so many girls but I feel it's you. Yes, you know it's true. Sonya hide yonko muntari kuryetare. Like a star, you shine my life. The soft touch of your hand, it feels so right. Yes, it feels so right. And the sound of your lips, it just drives me wild.
Najua watasema kwa ajili yetu, mimi sijali, niko nawe. Mimi ndio saizi yako. I'm praying for you, Katalia.
Nkotariho, she actually passed me by. My heart beats but it never feels so fine. Niwe wanje, I wish it's only me and you. Erase the tears from your eyes and she made it with all dog, new tricks, different toilet, same shit. Konkani nyendiwe, you're the same chick. Nkahori, I'll go where your body goes. Nyowe niwe, let's make some little baby shoes. Kechobugiga, I hold you so close like a baby and a mama or a nigga and his weed. You're the company that makes me come alive. I want the same rights like you to your body. Yes, konka baby, tokumpaka tay maybe doto nevi tekate kwa byanjo kabitwara.
Kati yawe nimechagua wewe, uzuri wako ni kama kioo lisilonyauka. I'm looking for you, Katalia. Katalia, penzi wangu. Katalia, wewe ni wangu. Nipo na wewe. Katalia.
Yeah, I love your smile, girl. I love you, Guma. I love your style too. Kaniwe, Kaniwe. Yes, you're the only one I need. More fire, more fire, more fire, more fire, more fire. Skylanta, Alpha Music. Gwe hemba, hemba, hemba murogwaje. Hemba, 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 hemba enegeza. Shange ni kuchaka. Iwe hemba, hemba. Kanyama muringi nagamba huname nemerostame ngamba hobechenka President Kagame obunyakarebu kareto butingana ekibari kirikari buzabingana amabega no mutwe tibikingana Museveni besije hona nibendana. Hemba, hemba, hemba murogwaje. Hemba, 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 hemba enegeza. Shange ni kuchaka. Iwe hemba, hemba, hemba murogwaje. Hemba, 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 hemba enegeza. Shange ni kuchaka. Tukahemba utadeba barogotana. Tuhemba matara gangwe. Tuhembire gasi bayehuna miraka. Kutakurwa ona tawegesa. Tukore hamwe amatama n'amashiyo ihamwe kimwe ibiroto tubyine nimushimanya abahagize muryokwe nimutuhagira eminyete kahinduka nimuchimanya. Facebook, WhatsApp na za Twitter slip happening na za bia bono mundi munyeto stopping here. Hemba, hemba, hemba murogwaje. Hemba, 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 hemba enegeza. Shange ni kuchaka. Iwe hemba, hemba, hemba murogwaje. Hemba, 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 hemba enegeza. Shange ni kuchaka. Hemba muraro, hemba mutima. biruje hiwa hejuru w'umutima utarekeraho kugezaho mama n'uwako barariro mu karomugama aba bode teacher ninga fama okorana mani kirugaha mutima iwe kirugaha mutima okubona gwe tukufani mu kimanya abo mu katare taxi ninga bota never give up, that is more important, never give up, move for ya gwe
obviously Diza TV West ibona rya kureba Facebook live aha screen yawe ndenda kwabaza kuba kiri hanitwe kandi ntumhimserita rekanya kire Sky atwakureho bambe bizo nota comedy show yes aginya ndora mutya abantu bakora ngo urwo muntu wovunaniza obahereza because man is funny nyendo bahereza nshonga kibi om introduction yawo ngene tips because hatube twarebera ho haza kwa harugero benyuma kace pastor mondara kutugira ngo mbwenu manyiri mbwenu nyendo terezo na tips om introduction
tips kazaguma konka mwe bari munonga kubana mureba TV West amazina ni Skylanta Uganda kandi niyo mweshongozi kandi umutezi wa band umurimba Rome tips wano gambazi hezo kantasi
ngene kale mbwenu
tips ariho ninga tip ariho yamani munonga no kugezaho kuyiya because ibintu bihindukire so the better you
okay na ndeba video yabanza when was it ekashobora ryari
ekashobora kare mazima gangati maybe like 5 years ago kimyaka 5
wato kadi wa size
size mwe abankamera kavera tinkumanya uka size niyejo
Skylanta no mutezi wa band ko yatugambera akuriga mu da Paris UG band no band yiti ya hayambara baterurwe shongoro ko rijimba butu samplinga wo nkamariyo nkaci nyende tugambira iwe nka Sky aha rapping because ebyo shongoro byambira binarga kurana nebi yamariye bitukurira yo on the rapping side aha bwenchi kandi rapping ahergeta
first of all new rapping kajikunda this is the thing most of abantu bakuzo music ne very passion oshanga mbona kachukunda inahiya chirebera chiri muto ninga hino watch mukundisi so rapping yoke passion kare munonga videos za hip hop omyaka nkejo so nakunda rapping so eventually this is how I end up rapping konka umurimba currently nko kumukuchima music industry chone kura abantu bingi bachone no discovered and rapping is also growing it's growing slowly but growing
okay konka notekateka nk'umuntu yari nko kwa rapper itari bya rugafro kuba naburo byawo byo rujungu rwaba rwinjina eje shonga yo
no nyankore haza no nyankore yes
haza ko muhima wa rapper enshongejo iyo ku rapping muri mbara tinkagirebera muteka kwasi because twine ba rapper binji twine muka truth na niwe undije no ne bache
mbone mazima ne bache but again wakureba konti me and truth na nyine kwasa kugira nti he's good nabandi bari mu kushe yes bari mbinji no kugira ngo tubakamanye maybe that much but they are there
okay
yes it's a growing industry
when rapping muri mbaro mu Western Uganda twine
kujembre singa tukongera mama nikachembe
tugambira hangoma
engoma ndi mutezi w'engoma talo skill ya mana ndi mutakunda music
mundo arabargaho mu mugogo no kutere ngo
ingoma bwakaje kaje za sande zabahuri hari nabahuri but also mwene ngoma nasa kuzikora mu center because band iriyo ne developing amunonga especially mu Uganda people are nibajenjoying amunonga because kare tukatera band nkani kwa na 12 kids by then tera band mune abantu kabatano bonka kunka mutera show ho musemererwa babaho bukungana ki nebihimba mugenda but with time abantu ati nibashashura band yes someone can come arikwenda band kandi in sense zo kujya kizo kuhereza so washango in skill yo kutera ingoma maybe keyboard ninga piano enhancing jeza ho ujiteke mamani because eventually if you're good akasenta nikije
see bandi ni zimwe ninga sho kweshongora ni zimwe aha sections zibira affected by COVID-19 tachirho mabaga tachirho bara tumugabasa kwesho kuzaha nanka ha kasozi mukateka ngo tujeste barangiza hansi how are you guys keeping up because tukatwina Ruben the other day he looks good je kureba Sia she looks good
even me I look good
you look good that's no kare nono bara mukacheka kamwe how are you guys keeping up mwine na paranichi
ambwenu right now mbili nko plan ya mani mnonga for any entertainer in online business yes kwa tasho ujiteke online ufunia abantu bakuhajire like recently people akoze show I don't know if you saw it that was a very good icebreaker from Bara chiyambere mnonga mbara kuba noticed because it was the first online show in Debere erimu amani minji really so
nishwashanga ni waboro master of ceremony
mwana we nkandi kagambiriza wo mukoro so mbwenu nyene tekateka ngo rumwesho ngozwe no mukije nkaka asheme kuba nagezeho kureba how they can be
yes kuba mgemu kubaho
social media amisho gabantu yes so nitinkaje kwa CG 20 jeza ho kujya utakwa in the background umukire kache 20 kwa show za online kebyo mbwenu real but ultimately online shows nicho chinte chunzi tahamhati
trending
because tukumanya how long this will take it can even end next year
kandi ubwe next year kakungana bakuba bakabereka kwireyo atoshanga ko muntu yazanga kutanka kutembera ngoma
konkana aba motuka yareka hunga so mbwenu government where are you
they are coming talking of online to celebrating Kenzo last week celebrating Masaka Kids the other week Kenzo the other weeks Kenzo hit 1 million subs on YouTube Masaka Kids
yes
you no you someone else I know that you also know is about to if you are online nyendangu otereza na hint as a content creator as a rapper nko muntu ngeno witwa hakachiga witwa manyaraje goko babesho ngase by the barion ba watching esha head kandi nimwe tukubatire hamisho to inspiring to do some of the things agoko ba ahat twine mani goko byakorera ninga we are not ngeno turatu teenage moral yo kutusindika
mbweni tancheka
ndango tshoborere is it worth it kugira ngo mweshongoze akitemwa manage kugira ngo abe present some of those
mbweni it is very important it's very important because work not singa buri muntu wena or influential omukije nkaka even in this time of COVID are online even before amanga social media good it can't be ignored as long as when a social media presence omukije nkaka you really make sense so if you're an artist ninga entertainer wena oba comedian ne bachi omukije nkaka YouTube jekwat Facebook jekwat because ultimately omuntu nakwija kureberaho kandi washanga nkaba bono gamba bakinza abagiri hari munongo mu subscription no kwa center of that business oshanga YouTube ne mushashara buri kwezi center nunje munonga and life goes on so when social media is a good idea
tuje kwata mu batakashanga no tembeye nkingo maninga kidamusha
ngoma za kubera chikonga
because umuntu kuborya hongi umurimo go munogora kimwe
nogere ngoma
bitizina bari
kandi iryo
ritariskaya
kandi
gatino waza kushanga
nondero kumbanja barahandikazi
mborekere
yes
no waza kushanga bakwita nkamasana
reka
konga mwe ntugenda washanga sky imbere yangire nabasa kweshongora ine talent aine chiko nkata ine motivation yo kurga so mwabye hurira kurga umukanwa ko mukama yeah of course not mukama azina man just ntugenda wakashika kugambira ngo obwiro obu social media presence is key oyine kuba norebwa ko abantu abari following oyine kuborwa mbwenu eshaha yona da parsi yine bayatunaga hubwe shongoro
mbwenu hihi munonga in fact nko mwike mwibira aho ntiko nteka
karga kuronshinga maryo kabotarho karamare eturayo
karantine kankwatiro kwe
ni kureba manya ni mbana kurebere nyetegereza amanta tukashika kigaka kapa fuma kayinaka umurimba tkarum kana yanga kuchibuza
jesho ngajirwe hair perfume
bas mbwenu program ne asisimkato atayise Skyranta umwishunguzi witwa harapa ninyenda ngo batere keshongoro kamwe kabo ka the pulse yuji abo batwarebere singles zeye batere pulse yuji kugira ngo abantu ba connecting because umbwiro hati
Njo twitinga amazima.
Njo twitinga amaryo twina amaryo twine karamari batuchapurure yo kai
Batereyo amaryo. Gishonga ni inkuru.
Bwene umwana nibyebyo bantu tereza makatera bakatera yakishongoro. Bwene umwana nibyebyo ninkushabota nyanga.
Bazonyesha ngore amaryo.
Amaryo. Nyawe nkikiriza wo mutima tokagubuzabuza.
Wanji.
Kandi nkikiriza wo gwanje ni warguhumuriza. Nkanagira ndije ni mukunda nimba namubiha.
Very good. One more time.
Azana ngo mundondo mubandi yani.
Twende upcoming.
Nyondye chindi. Nanga Nelson katuchapurire akashika turabize musampo tutyo turga. Kiriya redo kureba.
Gishonga ni inkuru.
Enshongeje ni inkuru mnonga. Banzo turabize muka sample Nelson akutera kishonga.
Ngo mutima nigunyeshanya nigunshaba ngo umwana utanyanga so hot from the anther to stigma to what? Yego chano karinga.
Ngo so hot from the alpha to stigma.
An anthem shawe.
Ezo tpati zebyashe zebumuri.
Buriya rero bumuri buri mu konkabire everywhere. Yes. Umukesho ngo they had to be there to what?
Akeshongoro kamaryo kandi kijanye ndangumbaze nkurebera ha Facebook ahubwo kuba nimanya ngo abana bomba bashutinga nkakare nanakubuza tata ngaskayiranta ine myakenga hi ngani we nabere nebi nanakubuza tata ngaskayiranta yatahize ayina abana banga he buzo no babiri yo konka just oguyaja ayine dashi konko kumgeno kumwana abana yatahize
ikibuzo cyaremera
How is your friend? I can't see me, Anna. Yabuza nshabar hanga de Bruno. Thanks for the program. I'm here in Harora Ivan Kiriya. Ogweni Kajibi Innocent. Sound please. Ogunajirangu. I am Otafire Derek. I'm live in Kampala, Chanja. Good morning, everyone. Shabar hanga. Bakababa thanka ahasirpandi. Makahanka abantu asirpanda ba parsbani.
Kandi rero
giharuwe tanachetegereza ogunajyango ari nareba kurwa muri mbarara ebine bindi mazima ryo nabuze bindi akamaryo ka